Hello everyone, welcome to Drawliver channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to download CapCut on Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to Play Store. Now from here tap on search bar and search CapCut. Then tap on CapCut. Then tap on CapCut again. Now from here tap on install. Now CapCut will be download and install automatically. You don't have to do anything. And as we can see, the download and installation process is done. And now go back to the app screen. Here you can see CapCut app. Now open it. Then tap on agree and continue. From here tap on skip. Here you can see new project option and you can open a video by tapping here. And that is how you can download CapCut on Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.